tip for you. You know, you get these gloves at Walmart, wherever. Yeah, these are okay, but you find these in the like the kitchen section with all the dish soap and stuff. These work a lot better. They're a lot stronger. They're easier to put on, and they don't tear on you as easy. Just a little quick tip when you're cleaning: if you wear gloves, try finding these in the kitchen section, like at Walmart, and buy these. They're a little bit more expensive, but they ain't half the headache. Alright, here's another little quick tip for y'all while hunting if you don't have gloves. Walmart bags, grocery sacks, keep them in your truck because they can double up as a bag. Hopefully they double up as a bag, as a glove, to get little items like this. And that's the quick tip of the day. Bohemian Hunting Club. Drinking beer, not shooting deer. Knocking the hell out of some hogs, though.